How to unlock PDF without password. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch any browser that you have. Here I'm going for Google Chrome. Next, tap on the search bar and search for lostmypass.com. Now tap on the official website of Lost My Pass. The user interface will look something like this over here. So all you have to do is just tap on Try It Now option that pops up at the very first. So tap on it. Now as you tap on it, scroll down and just verify by clicking on the checkbox, and then all you have to do is just drop a file to upload or click here. So tap and click here and it will lead you to the options of media picker. So tap on it and you can just scroll down and search for a PDF file that you have saved with a password over here. Now as you tap on it, it will just start looking for the password and it will start recovering your password. Now, in case of a strong password, then it will ask the email that you have associated with this account to verify it, and then you'll be able to recover or unlock the PDF without password. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.